another job. So I said, well, what about your car? She said, well, she made up some...
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southern Washington County in east central New York, northeastern Rensselaer County in east central New York, Bennington County in southern Vermont, Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Fort Edward to near Cambridge to near Berlin, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Shame on you.
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Arlington and Shaftesbury around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bennington, Williamstown, and New Ashford around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Adams around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Adams around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stratton, Dorset, Florida, and Savoy around 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
SVR, Mom.
Manchester, Wilmington, Manchester
No,
Center, and West
Berkshire.
Wardsboro around
Berkshire and
4:40
parts of
Eastern
Vermont.
Daylight Time. Londonderry and New Lane around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brattleboro and Putney around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Whoa!
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Goose City, Chisholmville, North Hancock, Reedsboro Falls, Cheshire Harbor, South Shaftesbury, South Wyndham, Bromley Village, East Kansas, and White Oaks. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Wow. Woo! Come on! Flash it! Come on! You got it! Come on! Hell yeah! Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, central Dutchess County in east central New York, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pleasant Valley, or 7 miles east of Poughkeepsie, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Millbrook around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dover Plains and Wingdale around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sherman, Kent, and Gaylordsville around 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Milford and Cornwall Bridge around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Preston around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Litchfield around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northwest Hillwinton around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Cornwall, West Torrington, Vineyard, Baker Corner, Beekman,
That's getting close.
Ledgehill, South Ammonia, Marbledale, and Pleasant Ridge. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut. Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Adams, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Monroe, Montague, Northfield, Bernardston, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Irving, Coleraine, Jill, Charlemont, Wendell, Warwick, Leiden, Heath, Rowan Holly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts.
Wow. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Savoy or near North Adams, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, Greenfield, Deerfield, Montague, Sunderland, Buckland, Conway, Shelburne, Leverett, Irving, Ashfield, Culane, Jill, Whately, Charlemont, Goshen, Wendell, Heath, Plainfield, and Rowe. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Massachusetts.
Probably gonna be a doubleheader.
Line of strong thunderstorms.
Severe thunderstorm! Here we go.
First the words wherever you are. Online. And
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ottawa or near Orange, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Leominster, Fitchburg, Gardner, Ottawa, Winchendon, Lunenburg, Townsend, Westminster, Ashburnham, Barrie, Hubbardston, Princeton, Ashby, Phillipston, Royalston, and Petersham. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. Strong thunder.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service a warning for central Hampshire County in western
Hampshire County.
central Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Conway, or 10 miles north of Northampton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, camerolipsis, window WS camerolipsis, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Whately around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hadley, Sunderland, and Hatfield around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Amherst and Leverett around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Shutesbury and Pelham around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Hampshire.
My bad.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, east central Hampden County in western Massachusetts,
Wow.
until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Granby, or near Chicopee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Ludlow, South Hadley, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Ware, Monson, Granby, Hadley, Warren, North Brookfield, West Brookfield, Brimfield, Brookfield, Holland, and Wales. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampden, Hampshire, and Worcester.
Wow. They're getting...
Now for the...
Tornado
The
warning.
National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, East Central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Granby, or near Chicopee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, camerolipses, window W as camerolipses and vehicles will occur.
Wow. What is
Tree
going
damage
on?
is likely.
Why is it saying WX?
This dangerous storm will be near
Wow.
Ludlow around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wilbraham around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Wilbraham.
Time. Monson around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Palmer, Warren, West Brookfield, and Brimfield around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh God.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, South Central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, Northeastern Hampton County in western
Whoa!
Massachusetts, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Wow, that's...
At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hatfield, or near Northampton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, South Hadley, Belchertown, Palmer, Ware, Granby, Hadley, Warren, North Brookfield, West Brookfield, Hatfield, Hardwick, Williamsburg, Whately, Pelham, New Braintree, and New Salem. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester.
Wow. That's a lot.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Central Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, South Central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts,
Wow.
East Central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shirley to Lancaster to Sterling, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Boston,